Hi, this is how to use Instagram Reel as a template. First, find a video or a clip that you would like to use as a template, like this one. Please note that not all videos or clip could be used as a template. You will know that the clip could be used if you see that the video has this button, Use as a template. Once you have selected your template, you could just click the button, Use template. Once click, you will be asked to add some media that you would like to add on the template. So here I'm selecting the medias that I would like to be added on the template. Alright, there you go. So you could reorder or edit the added templates or added clip on here. And then once you're done editing the clip, just hit next. And here you could add other resources like emojis, text, and also sounds. So let's try adding something here, like this emoticon. Alright, then hit next. And there you go. Just next. And that's it. Thank you for watching.